Okay, we are on last part of paper 2, okay, 12f, okay. By considering this one, okay, deduce that the curve y equals, this one is the solution actually, has a positive gradient in this domain, okay. So gradient, what is gradient? dy dx, right? So we move all the thing to the right hand side. So we say dy dx gradient equals square root tangent x plus y. What is y? X square root tangent x times cosecant 2x. At first sight, you might have no idea about it, but write clearly about cosecant 2x. What is cosecant 2x? Sine 2x, 1 over. So look at here, positive. Square root tangent x must be positive, right? And x is positive. And how about sine 2x? Yes, 2x is from 0 to pi. Sine 0 to pi still positive. So what you need to say is just for x larger than 0, less than pi over 2, sine 2x is larger than 0 in the first and second quadrant, right? So, and obviously square root tangents must be positive. So trust dy dx is larger than 0, so positive gradient. That's it, okay? So make sure you have a step on it, okay? So we are done on it, okay? Every time I done the paper, from my heart, this time I want to say, yeah, we make it, okay? See you. Yes, we'll post it on paper 3, okay? But please give me some time, okay? I want to take a break first, okay? Have a good sleep tonight, okay? See you.